welcome to Chunjang Kitchen. Today I came to the Chinese restaurant around my place, and they do have this kind of ordering machine every table. I'm going to order the most popular Chinese dishes Koreans like. These are the basic side dishes they serve right after you sit. This is a pickled radish, colored yellow, tastes salty. And the other one is onion. We eat those two with black bean paste. And this soy sauce for sweet and sour pork. These are the dishes I'm going to have today. I ordered jjajang-bap. We call jjajang kind of spicy noodle, and this one is sweet and sour pork, fried pork actually, and just sauce. Well, stir-fried rice usually served those two, something you can mix with some kind of sauce you can mix with rice, and a little bit of jjajang soup. When you eat sweet and sour pork in Korea, you can dip with this sauce or pour the sauce on top. I prefer the second method though. This is jjajang. I like seafood jjajang, but you can get beef or pork jjajang. I didn't order the other popular dish today deliberately, which is jjajang-myeon, because I'm going to show you how to make it today. These are the main ingredients for making jjajang sauce. This is cabbage and onion. Well, you can use as much as you like. And this is pork, lean part. You can use other parts of pork. I'm going to dice those three. And this is black bean paste, roughly 1 tablespoon for 1 person. And garlic and ginger crushed. You can use any kind of vegetables you like instead of cabbage, but onion is quite essential. Anyway, I'm going to dice those like this. I dice these ingredients this big, even the meat, but you can use ground meat instead if you want. Before stir frying, I'm going to prepare the chicken stock broth and start in water in advance. Well, now I can start stir frying. Heat the oil in the wok and then add garlic and ginger. Stir fry until you get delicious smell. Add the pork and stir fry until it gets 70 or 80% cooked. Add the onion and stir fry until it gets softer and transparent. And the cabbage also need to be stir fried until it gets softer. Well, I think it's time to add the black bean paste. It's quite important to stir fry this black bean paste long enough. So I stir fry it for a while like this, and also need to mix those ingredients well with this paste like this. After stir fry long enough, add the oyster sauce and sugar. And then stir fry again. When all the ingredients combined well and then makes a delicious smell, it's time to add the broth. Actually, you can eat this sauce as it is, but I prefer some kind of liquid type sauce, so going to add broth like this. You just need to boil shortly, and then add the starch water. You know, starch water makes the sauce thicker, so you shouldn't put at once, just little by little to see how thick it becomes. Well, I think it's done. You can eat this sauce with rice or noodle, but today with rice and that radish. And I'm going to serve this with fried dumpling. Add the sauce on the rice, and then I'm going to decorate with cucumber and a boiled egg. It's a quite common way you can get from the Chinese restaurant. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.